What's going on YouTube, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys an early look at the upcoming Air Jordan 11 Retro Low LE in the navy snakeskin colorway. These are set to drop April 19th for $185 US or 245 Canadian dollars. The official colorway for this shoe is white, black, and navy. So first off, I want to give a huge thank you over to Exclusivity for sending me over this pair. For all my Canadian viewers, this pair will be releasing at Exclusivity this Friday, April 19th. Originally dropping back in 2001, this snakeskin Jordan 11 Low finally returns 18 years later. For its original release, this pair did sit on shelves, so I'm kind of curious to see if this pair will sell out or not. With so many hot shoes releasing every single week, I'd be very surprised if these actually sold out. But if you are a fan of this shoe and you don't want to take a risk, then I definitely recommend trying to cop a pair on the day of the drop. So before we go on any further, here's a quick look at the box. So unlike your typical Air Jordan release, this one actually comes in a special edition snakeskin printed box. So you can see this graphic found throughout all sides of the box. At the very top we have the silver Jumpman, and I also want to point out that the label on the shoebox is also new as well. So it looks to be completely redesigned, and on the bottom right corner there's this QR code which, when you scan it with your phone, opens up a link on sneakers. Jumping back to the shoes, so this is your classic Air Jordan 11 Low silhouette. However, the biggest and most obvious change that they've done to this shoe is replacing your traditional patent leather, and in its place we have this synthetic snakeskin. To the touch, it has a scaly feel to it, and looking at it real up close, it's done in a combination of blue and black. So the upper half of these Jordan 11 Lows is constructed using this smooth white leather. The quality of this leather is okay, it's not the absolute worst that I've seen, but to me it didn't feel like it was anything premium either. Stitched onto the sides of both the lateral side and the medial side, we have these nylon straps, which help hold the laces in place. And then speaking about the laces, we have your signature Air Jordan 11 rope laces, and these are done in white. Underneath the laces, we have your tongue. So the tongue is also done in that smooth white leather. Stitched onto the center of the tongue, we have this black tag, which has the Jumpman Jordan branding. And then on the interior side of the tongue, we have this tag which reads, "Quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever." As you move to the back of the shoe, you see how the snakeskin wraps around the back as well. Above it, we have this black embroidered Jumpman, and above this, we have the number 23 done in black. As we take a look at the insole, so nothing crazy here, this is just your standard black insole with this Jumpman branding on the heel in white. So the upper of these Air Jordan 11 Lows sits atop this white colored foam midsole. Encapsulated within the midsole, we do have a full-length Nike Airsole unit. And then turning these over to the bottom, here we have your standard Air Jordan 11 outsole. So as expected, we have this icy blue translucent outsole, and then we have these rubber pods on the forefoot and the bottom heel, giving you added durability and traction. Sandwiched between the outsole and the midsole, we have your carbon fiber shank plate, which gives you midfoot support and added rigidity on the shoe. In terms of how these fit, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and Exclusivity sent me this pair in a size 10. So overall, they do fit true to size, and I usually get a size 10 in all my other Air Jordan 11s, whether they're the mid cut or the low cuts. So I'd recommend sticking true to size, or if you do wear maybe a different size for your Jordan 11s, then just stick with that normal size. Comfort wise, so the Jordan 11 is decently comfortable. We do have a full length Nike Airsole unit, which to be honest, you can't feel too much of. However, I wore these around for about 2 or 3 hours today, and they didn't cause my feet any problems, and overall they were pretty good. One added thing to note is replacing the patent leather with the snakeskin resulted in the upper actually feeling a little bit softer, so there was no break-in time required that you sometimes need with patent leather, and they already felt pretty good right out of the box. So with all that being said, let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these Jordan 11 Low snakeskins look on feet. The Air Jordan 11 is one of my personal favorite Jordan silhouettes, and while I usually don't love the low cut version, I actually feel like having the snakeskin upper actually works this time around. Having this material being a shade of blue complements the midsole color as well. And while I personally understand that not everyone's gonna love this iteration of the Jordan 11, I'm also confident that there's a lot of you guys out there that really love these. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys plan to cop these when they drop this coming Friday, or is this gonna be a pass for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on my Instagram account at esgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Once again, if you guys are in Canada and you plan on copying these do drop at exclusivity stores and online this coming Friday, April 19th. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next review.